हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज नीति मैम तुमको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और सिंपल बर्थडे कार्ड बनाना सिखा रही हैं। चलो उनके पास चलते हैं।
Hello, how are you? I'm Neeti Mittal. As you know, today I'm going to teach you a very beautiful and very simple. It is a squash birthday greeting card. Okay, see the magic, how big it is. And you can keep your favorite stickers, whatever you like. In the center you can keep a money envelope whom you want to give, whatever the amount you want to give. And here, even not only the stickers, you can stick the photo of the person also whom you are giving. So chalo, let's take a quick look how to make this. And just we can squash it and we'll fold it, and here we can write the name of the person dear whom we have to give, here birthday and from. Okay, now how to do it, I'll show you. Now see, for this we need a square piece of paper of 12 inch by 12 inch. A big square piece of paper we have to take, and this I have taken a thick chart paper. So again, further, this 12 by 12 is divided into 4 parts, 3 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch, both sides. So total you will get 12 squares. And this center squares we will join with the diagonal line. Already I have done it for you. So you can see this center line, center 4 squares we will join with the diagonal line. So once again I'll repeat the measurements. This is the template how to make this squash card, birthday squash card. We have to take the measurement of 12 by 12. For the 12 by 12 is divided into 3 inches box. So total you will make 12 boxes, and the center boxes will be divided, will be joined by diagonal lines. Now see the folding. Only magic is there in the folding. See how to fold this. First we will just fold inside, and again all the straight lines we will fold inside. That's all. All the four lines we will fold it inside. All the 4 lines we will fold it inside. Then these diagonals also we will fold. Only this diagonal till here we will fold inside. Only this diagonal, not more than that. Only diagonals we will fold. All 4 diagonals we will fold inside. All the 4 diagonals we will fold inside. Only the diagonal line which I drew, that much only we will fold. Not more than that we have to fold. This diagonals only we will fold. And after folding this, we have to take this inside one by one. We will hold and we will take it inside. See, I will show you once again. This diagonals also I fold it inside. Now this diagonal I will fold and squash it inside. Then another diagonal I hold and squash it inside. Then third diagonal I hold and squash it inside. And fourth diagonal I hold and squash it. And you will get this card. So these 4 squares are your topmost squares. Okay, so this all the 4 corner squares you can write sentiments, happy birthday, whatever you want. But inside the squares you can paste pictures or anything. And the middle I kept an envelope. This envelope size will be 4.25 inch, 4.25 inch. Back side also little bit decoration I have done. After squeezing and folding, it will be like this. Just squeeze it and see, this is the back side decoration I have done. This is the front side. Hope you have liked this squash card. Thank you for watching me.